What's up, everyone? Welcome to today's video. If you're new here, my name is Bree and my channel is all about entrepreneurship, small business growth, and using social media for business. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, definitely go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop our next video. Today's video is going to be about starting a YouTube channel moving into 2022. Yes, small business owner, you can do today. I'm going to give you the first 7 steps of starting a YouTube channel. Step 1, you got to have passion. If you don't have something that you're passionate about, that you want to talk about, you're not going to make it. YouTube is for the long haul, and this is like my 3rd YouTube channel. I have another one that I started with education, and then I did one with my god sister. So I definitely know it's something that you have to be consistent with, and if you do something that you're passionate about, it'll allow you to come up with topics and video ideas that will carry you through until you get a big enough audience and they start advising you what they want you to do. The second thing you're going to need for starting a YouTube channel in 2022 is going to be a niche. You might have a lot of passions. You might be passionate about art and sports and poetry, but when you're creating a YouTube channel, you have to be niche down to either a gaming channel or a business channel or a growth channel, entrepreneur channel, funny channel, entertainment channel, news. You have to figure out what you're passionate about. If you're passionate about dogs or wine, you have to find that niche and make it something that, again, you can continue to make videos. The third thing you need to start a YouTube channel in 2022 is the name for your channel. The reason why I say that you need to look at your passions and the niche first, because sometimes if you have that, if you're not sure what you want to name your channel, you can look to your niche or your passions. Like, for instance, my channel is Biz with Bree because I give business tips, small business growth tips, entrepreneur tips. It's about business, and my name is Bree. So that's why, third step, in my opinion, you would definitely want to figure out something you're passionate about. And out of those passions, you want to find something that you feel like you can talk about and dive into and research. And you can do it for the long haul until you get to a point, again, where your audience is going to start giving you topics or asking you questions for you to make videos off of. Step 4 in starting a YouTube channel in 2022, guys, just you can use your phone. I'm using my iPhone 13 right now, Pro Max. I will have the link in the description. I use my back camera. I don't use the front camera because what I've researched is the back camera is the best. And stay tuned to the end because I'm going to give you a tip, like a little secret that I got from somebody else. So I'm going to pay it forward and share it. Fifth thing you're going to need to start a YouTube channel in 2022 is video editing skills. If you have an iPhone, you can use iMovie. If you have an Android, there are plenty of applications. You can just Google or look up on YouTube what are the best video editing software for Android. Starting off, they have some that are paid, and they have, most of the time, they have a free version. So you definitely want to do your research. But if you are an iPhone user like me, you can use iPhone. It's really simple. There are plenty of videos on how to edit YouTube videos using iMovie, and go ahead and subscribe if you want to see that, and leave a comment below because that is a video that I can definitely do later. Stay tuned to the end. I'm gonna have a goodie for you. 6th thing you're gonna need to start a YouTube channel in 2022 is motivation and drive. This goes along with having something that you're passionate about. You have to have the motivation to keep going. If you don't have that motivation, you're going to give up, especially something that you're not passionate about. So definitely got to have drive. You definitely got to have motivation. You have to set a goal that you're going to make videos for however long until you get an audience or until you're going to try something new. You definitely want to set a goal. YouTube is for the long run. As I've heard many of the mentors that I watch here on YouTube say, YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. I'm learning that myself. So, it's a work in progress. I'm here, I'm doing it, so we're doing it, and we can do it together. So the 7th thing really is like 7 things. Well, it's like the 7th step, but the things that you're going to need for the 7th step is like your tools. The tools that you're going to need to start a YouTube channel are going to be your stand, a basic stand. It's like, I think $25 to $30 on Amazon. I'll have the link below in the description. Next thing you probably want to have, which is not necessarily a necessity because you can just click the record button on your phone. You can have a clicker where you set your phone on your stand how you want to and go to the position that you want to record and click the clicker and it'll start recording your video and it's connected through Bluetooth. Another thing that you can have or tool that you can use is having an extra phone stand just in case anything happens. You'll already have one on hand, even though one does come with the stand. I always recommend having an extra one on hand. All of these tools as well will be linked in the description, so definitely go check those out. But the last thing, you're gonna need your phone or whatever device you use to record. I would say whatever device you use to record, if it's not your phone, something simple, you definitely want to get to know the settings of that device. You want to make sure that it's flattering. You want to test it out, make sure your background, your lighting, and everything is correct, because with different devices you do have to learn those devices. You have to play with those settings. So like the last kind of 8th thing, it's like a free secret, is TubeBuddy. You have to have TubeBuddy. It's only like $9 for if you have under 1,000 subscribers, but it's well worth it. It's gonna give you the keywords and tools that you need to grow your channel. I've been using it just for really a week now that I've implemented. I'm ranking more in the browse features. You want to be ranking high on your browse features and on YouTube search. I'm actually coming up on both just since I've implemented TubeBuddy. So go ahead and check out that link if you want to go ahead and get that implemented. So I'm giving away more goodies than I should be giving away, but this is another goodie, so it's like the 9th goodie. But if you do have an iPhone, you can go to the camera settings and go to, I believe it's record video. You can change the settings of the resolution to record from the highest that it possibly can versus what it's on now. So it gives you this awesome quality, as you can see in the video that I am recording now. Also, as a bonus for staying to the end, I will have a checklist of all of this down below for you to go ahead and download and keep for you, because I know this is kind of a lot. And you're going to be well on your way to starting your own YouTube journey. So again, thanks everyone for tuning in for today's video. Stay tuned for our next video. It's going to be on how to legalize and start your business. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you in our next video.